I'm going to show you how I took one basic product image, removed the background, placed it on an AI fashion model, and I turned it into a scroll stopping video all in few minutes. Now, no studio required, no models, and no Photoshop. I'm going to break down exactly how I did this step by step using Claid AI. So let's get started. Alright guys, so firstly, I'm going to be showing you how to remove backgrounds using Claid. Alright, so I'm going to work with the first option right here, which is this one, and I'm going to click on it. Now with Claid, you can remove backgrounds from any of the images. If you want to upload a new photo to Claid, it's simple. All you need to do is to click on upload new image. Now click on this one right here, and once you do that, it's going to open up your computer and you just have to select the image you're trying to get rid of its background. Once this is already imputed, you can see Claid begins to do its work. And once you are done with this, you can also go ahead in downloading your photo or your image, and you can see what it looks like on my screen. You can see that our photo basically has no watermark, and that is why I recommend Claid to anyone who's trying to remove backgrounds from their images. Now let's go over to the next feature I want to share with you about Claid. This is going to blow your mind off. Now, this is the AI fashion models of Claid, and with this particular feature, you can create models based on the clothing and the accessories that you're going to be providing it with. So I'm going to click on it right now, and right from here I'm going to click on upload your clothing, and you can see for me I have the skirt right here, I have boots, and also I have a crop top. So this is basically the outfit I want my model to wear using Claid, and I'm going to upload them right here. All right, so guys, you can see that we already have our clothing already uploaded on Claid. So I'm going to come down here, and here where it says continue, this is where you have to select your model, the colors, the tone, and everything. And if you also want to work with your own personal model, you can do all by uploading it. So I'm going to go ahead and selecting this particular model. I can also choose the pose and a stance. So you can see with Claid, you can select multiple poses. Once I've been able to select that, okay, I'll come down, and right at this very box, guys, if you want to add a particular prompt for Claid to work with, you can go ahead and put in that and click on generate. All right, and here we go, guys. You can see that our models are ready. All right, now you can see this is the first one right here, and you can see how our model is looking just by uploading the clothing we want to have our wear. You can see how she's looking. We have the boots from me, we have the skirt from me, and also the crop top from me. So if your brand basically has its own clothing, or you're trying to promote a particular outfit, you can use Claid models, and you're going to be finding fascinating results. And also, if you choose to change the stance or the pose of the model, you can also do that by selecting a new style, and Claid AI is going to help you generate a new pose according to your request. And once you are done with that, guys, you can proceed with selecting how you want to download your image, either as a JPEG, PNG, and whatever format you want to use. You can find it right here on Claid. And let's go over to the next feature. I'm going to be showing you how to use Claid AI to turn your images into videos. So let's say you have an image of your model just like me right here. I'm going to select one of the images right here. So right from this very box, this is where you want to tell Claid, all right, the prompt you want to use for your video format. So for me, I'm going to be working with the initial prompt right there provided by Claid, all right, and I can set my duration to 10 seconds, all right. So Claid AI is going to help me convert my image into realistic video. Now an image has already been converted into a video. Now you can see how realistic this looks like. So I can click on download right here to download my video into my computer. But what I showed you today is just the tip of the iceberg. So if you want to level up your visuals and see everything Claid AI can do, check out the link below and explore it for you. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Please take care of yourself, and bye.